Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the 4-in-1 accessories kit for the Nintendo new 3DS XL and LL. This all-in-one bundle promises to keep your console protected, organized, and ready for gaming, and we're going to break down exactly what you get and whether it's worth your attention. The kit includes a carrying case, a clear hard shell, 4 stylus pens, and 2 sets of screen protectors for both the top and bottom screens. First off, the carrying case is designed to be lightweight and portable. It's perfect for gamers on the go, keeping your console and all your accessories secure without adding bulk. Next up is the clear hard shell. This slim-fit case guards against drops, scratches, and dust while allowing full access to all ports and buttons. You don't have to remove the shell to charge or play, which is a huge convenience if you're constantly gaming or traveling. The kit also comes with 4 multi-color stylus pens. These are designed to fit perfectly into the new 3DS XL or LL slots, offering a comfortable grip and smooth, responsive gameplay. Having replacements on hand is great since styluses can easily get lost or damaged. Finally, the package includes 2 sets of screen protectors made from tempered glass and PET film. These protect both the top and bottom screens from scratches and fingerprints while maintaining high transparency and touch sensitivity. They're anti-smudge and scratch resistant, ensuring your display stays clear for gaming and streaming visuals. Overall, this 4-in-1 bundle covers the essentials for anyone looking to protect their new 3DS XL or LL. It keeps your console organized, offers durability, and includes practical extras like styluses and screen protectors. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just want peace of mind while gaming at home, this kit seems like a solid investment. If you're looking for a complete solution to protect and accessorize your new 3DS XL or LL, this 4-in-1 kit delivers everything you need in a single package. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Make sure to hit the like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more in-depth gadget reviews.